Understanding Be Under a Cloud in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, be under a cloud. This expression is a perfect example of how English can use imagery to convey complex ideas and emotions. So, let's unpack its meaning, usage, and history together. Whether you're an English learner or just someone who loves language, this video is for you. To be under a cloud means to be in a state of suspicion or disfavor. Imagine a cloud hanging over someone, casting a shadow on their reputation or standing. This phrase is often used when someone is suspected of doing something wrong or when their character is being questioned. It doesn't necessarily mean they're guilty. Sometimes, just the shadow of doubt can be enough to be under a cloud. The imagery of a cloud often symbolizes something negative or ominous in English literature and language. This phrase taps into that symbolism, using the idea of a cloud as a metaphor for trouble or suspicion hanging over someone. While the exact origin is hard to pinpoint, it has been a part of the English language for centuries, reflecting the natural human experience of going through difficult or uncertain times. Let's see how to use be under a cloud in sentences. After the scandal, the politician was under a cloud of suspicion. He has been under a cloud since the investigation started into the company's finances. Despite her achievements, she felt under a cloud at work due to the recent rumors. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in professional, personal, and public contexts. When using be under a cloud, it's important to understand its connotations. It implies a temporary situation of suspicion or disfavor, which might be resolved once the truth comes out or circumstances change. This phrase is perfect for discussions about misunderstandings, rumors, and the effects of unproven allegations on individuals' lives. And that wraps up our exploration of be under a cloud. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase, enriching your understanding of English idiomatic expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and images those words evoke. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning and keep curious.